Hey guys, that bus right here. Snowstorm. Look at all the whiteness. It's my secret stash. Oh, you got a little, yeah. Nope, not better. Darkness to rainness to whiteness. Yeah. Hope my battery charge holds through. I have to walk a mile to get home. About halfway through it, I can tell because I'm near a lake. So yeah. Snowness. Oh God. You're losing contact with my face. Nope, not better. Oh God, my hair's getting all snowed. I'm not wearing my hood. Should really be wearing my hood. Or at least my... Oh, I should have brought my hat to school. Then my eyes would be protected too. Oh man, I gotta go dry you off when I get home. So yeah. Okay, go fix Wi-Fi so I can upload this. Turn on my Xbox, sign in. Check if my mom got any more Arizonas. Step into the snow so I don't get hit by an oncoming car. See, the only place that's not been snowed on. The lake isn't covered in ice! Yes, luckiness. If you're wondering why, it's because I may not have school tomorrow then. There we go, my face is showing. So yeah, hold it like this so I don't drop you in the ice, but water. But puddle. This is not a good road for snow. Wow, the sky's all white. This morning it was clear basically, other than the clouds. Now there's snow everywhere. You gotta keep clearing that camera. Oh wow, 2-minute video. My bus driver missed my stop twice. My hood is filled with snow. Hey, look at that little parking meter thingy. Yeah, you can see it. It's fun to see things. I've been here all day, covered in snow. Oh, God. I'll get this madness. This is Sparta. Oh, I cleared it. This is Sparta hand. Sparta hand. I'm clearing those little parking mirror things. Wow, that truck hasn't been here long. It's not covered in snow. Or they recently cleaned it. Oh God, it's covered in little pebbles of water. Oh God. One more corner till I get to my home. I'm gonna do my longest vlog yet. Like an 8-minute vlog. Oh, I wonder if I can get into Matt Busk's account this time. Treenus. Oh, that one hurt. Is there hail now? Oh, that freaking hurt. Like a bee sting. Hey, bush. Snowy bush. Bush. There we go, my face is now showing. I'm holding it higher. So yeah, 4 minutes. There you go, prepare in front of the camera. Gonna check if Nate's on. You know, Nate from the video this morning, which I still have to upload. Yeah, look at it. It's snowing now, and oh God, more snow on the lens. Yeah. Oh, stupid tree. Don't drop ice pellets on my head. Ugh. I'll go put my hat on. Not the orange one or the cat one. the Bruins winter one. Man, my teeth are numb for some reason. Alright. Of course, I gotta lock my door. Only key. No. Oh, God. If I had homework, I'd be doing it. Oh, I just stepped on my mic. Coverage. Cats don't escape. Hey, there's a little piece of hair floating. Oh. There we go. One thing I'm not gonna do first is put down so I can get these wet jeans off. Soaked coat. Glad I've another 2 more at this house. Oh. Should I just wear my underwear around the house? Yep, South Park ones. Dibs. Oh yeah, Sam was at work. Well, videotaping. Breaking on W3.5. Okay, there's no reflection to see my balls. Because then this video would definitely get flagged and I'd be pissed. Because this video's been going on for a while. Alright. Time to go fix Wi-Fi. My little Wi-Fi unit. TV on. Alright, time to turn my other TV on. Yeah, I have 2 TVs. In different rooms. The cable is on. Don't want to watch Foo Fighters. I don't like them at all. I just don't really want to listen to them. And that is loud.
Cartoon Network. Hello, I'm Lonnie Ross, and you're watching Cartoon Network. Aren't you lucky?
Dude, you gotta be entertaining.
There we go. You got a little TV on this. Is that a new case of Arizona? No. Oh, really, Mom? Oh, God. Frozen waffle. Why are they in the bottom part of the fridge? No drinks. Fuck. Oh, sorry, but Foop. I'm not gonna swear in front of the camera anymore. Because I realized my videos can get flagged. Okay, I should sign in now. Going. Like I said, 8 minutes. But. There we go. Soaked paper towel. Put in my. Oh wow, that's what happened to all my Arizonas. I drank them all. Hey, my face is it's white again. See you guys. 8:27.